What is up, guys? Today we are making luminaries. So let's begin. The first thing you're going to do is prep your construction paper and your tissue paper, and make sure that your glue is ready to go. Water it down just a little bit. And the basis of this craft is very easy. You just spread some of the glue and put some of the tissue paper or construction paper down. Make sure that you get all of the glass surface covered. And you want to make sure once your first drying is done to cover all of the flyaways. There is going to be a burning candle in this luminary eventually. Voila! And you do not want anything in there to catch on fire other than the wick. But once you are done, drop your candle in there. And voila! You have a wonderful autumn luminary that you can enjoy every year.